Morning, it is John and the team at JD Landscapes, and we've got an exciting day, an exciting project ahead of us. We have brought in a special guest and a recently qualified certified aquascape contractor in Josh Levine of Yorkshire Aquascapes. We're going to go and build a 5x3 ecosystem pond. Yes, baby, that's the money shot. So this is our professional grade geotextile. It's a complete liner protector, and we wouldn't do a pond without it. The main reason why we put this down is it protects the liner from sharp stones, roots, twigs, that sort of thing. Once it's one tone, tighten everything up, and that is your water level. So right now we're checking our levels for the pond. We've already taken a level off our overflow, which is in the skimmer. This is our dictated water level. So now what we have to do is we have to go around the side of the pond and we have to check whether the water level is right. We do that by using a laser level, and we keep going around the side of the pond until we get that one tone, and then we know that that's our water level. So it's the end of day 8. It's been horrendous weather, but we've really come through it. Josh has been a great help. We've built a 5x3 ecosystem pond. We've got some planning to do in the spring, but let me show you what we've got done. So this is the top of our waterfall. That's our biological filter. Completely disguised it so no one knows it's there. The best kind of filtration. One of the main points of this waterfall was actually to get a waterfall facing towards the house. We managed to do that by just placing 2 rocks in there. And it sheet falls off out at the top of the biofalls, but then kicks it towards the house this way and then turns 180 degrees towards the back. One of my favourite aspects of any of the builds which I do is we like to put in bog beaches. This is an area of the pond where it's purely designed for wildlife in mind and aquatic and marginal plants. It is a natural gradient which comes up from basically, you know, the depths of the pond to absolutely nothing, and that just allows us lots of different varieties of plants that can go into here, but also the tadpoles can get in and out very easily. Further behind me, one of my other favourite aspects of this pond is actually a big standing rock. And that there, it took 4 of us to lift it just slightly off the ground. We're really heavy. That there, you can stand on that all day long and that isn't moving at all. Further to the left hand side of it is our skimmer. This is an Aquascape 1000 skimmer. That is basically the guts of this whole filtration. There's a pump set in the bottom of there and it drags the surface of the water and drags all the leaves and debris into there. Stops it from hitting the bottom of the pond and creating problems. We've got some more planting to do in the springtime. We will be back, like I say, with some aquatics and some terrestrials, sort of tidy up these edges. We don't like to see all the boulder work around there because it just looks a little bit too harsh. Once we get this planted, and in a few months' time, this is going to look incredible. Thanks for watching. I really want to say thank you very much as well to Josh. He's been a great help, and we look forward to working with him again, for sure. Cheers. If you have any questions about this one or anything else that you've seen on it, just hit me up in the comment section.